Me, I looked at you in my aisle. Who's been working this out?
Did you guys see this? I did make this up. This Argan oil. Now this is a mask. It smells so good. I just hope it delivers as much as it smells. Oh, Dollar Tree. I understand why you guys went viral for this one.
Amani and Javon, I love you guys so much.
It's just the beauty of things. I literally mean, like, it's really the beauty of things. These new Dollar Tree items, honey, you want to stay tell you the items are just really iteming. Okay, these items that Dollar Tree is showing out, honey, they really showing out. So first up, Dollar Tree has the pedicure set, 1 foot file and 1 nail file clipper. Now, they also have the bidets. Look at Dollar Tree, honey, they just being all right fancy. 1 nail file, 1 nail clipper with the bidets, okay? $1.50. Now, Dollar Tree also have these pump bottles, which are really, really good. You can put your lotion in here. You can put facial creams in here. They come in 2 different colors. They have like this rose gold color and then this pink. Really amazing. They also have 1 lip gloss. This is like the last one, the shea butter and a jojoba oil. They also have the scalp massagers over here that comes in 2 different colors, the red and also the pink. So Dollar Tree has these Happy Valentine's Day. This is so gorgeous. Now, they did have these last year. They come in 2 different colors. They have the red and the pink. I love it. The gold over here, this trim, and then the black up here. This is fancy pantsy. Honey, when I tell you I am moving my feet to the dirt, be out in these Dollar Tree streets. Let me tell you something. You want the steal deals like Holyfield? You want the viral items from Dollar Tree? Viral items like this. Remember this? Okay, the mixtape for you. Okay, family, so I had to open up this second one. I don't know what I was doing with the first one. But what you do is you press the record.
Amani and Javon, I love you guys so much. You guys are so special and wonderful. You are talented, beautiful, amazing, smart. You are God's gift.
They also have the concealers. So this makes a great Christmas gift. It's $1.25, honey. It has the green corrector, the salmon corrector, the yellow corrector, the lilac corrector. Whichever corrector you're looking for, honey, they got it up in this palette. You get what I'm saying? They also have the brushes over here, and then they also have the blending pads. This is gorgeous. Another hot item at Dollar Tree is these bags right here. We have a few goodies from Dollar Tree today. Okay, doll faces? So, I know you guys, if you have not seen these gorgeous, these are makeup bags. I love them. They are $1.25. I had purchased 2. It has the gold chain. Absolutely amazing. Earlier today, when I was at the Dollar Tree, I had my items in here because it was like snowing. So this is pretty much how it looks. Really, really cute. I also needed to get some trash bags from Dollar Tree today, just into Monday. And then I also had got the mixtapes. So these mixtapes, I had got 1 for my youngest daughter, 1 for me. I was like, why did I get 1 for me? And then I also got 1 for my youngest son. Now, this second makeup bag, I'm going to get this to my youngest daughter, Amani. Although she don't, honey, of course she don't wear makeup. She do pretend while she'll wear the makeup like in the house, like to see how it looks, and then she'll take it off. This makeup bag. Because I brought 2. So I said, you know what? I could just give her 1. Let me know in the comment section what you guys rate these bags. Hey, my love. So if you are looking for something to sleek those edges down, what about the J Babe brush? Okay, now this is gentle for all hair types, easy styling. They also have the sectioning tip. You know, the little pointy, like the rat tail at the bottom. They too, Dollar Tree is really showing out. So these next items, I can't stop smiling because they are so cute. Look at the stuffies. Now, you are unique. How cute is that, the little unicorn? Now, they also have this. I only have fries for you. Ooh, child, this is cute. Now, this is Dollar Tree's, of course, Valentine's Day items. These teddies are $5. Absolutely amazing. Check this out. Right, so Dollar Tree has these gorgeous teddy weddies. Let's hang out. You're perfect. Love these. These are so gorgeous. And they also have snacks, all my love language. Now, Dollar Tree also have these teddies down here at the bottom. Now, I love this, especially the golden white is fantastic. These are for someone special, okay? Valentine's Day edition. Really, really gorgeous. Ooh, and I just seen these. Oh, child. Dollar Tree is out here moving their feet to the beach, child. Now, other items Dollar Tree has is these gorgeous 16-inch tinsel centerpiece that comes in red and also purple. Amazing. Those are $3. They also have the rose kissing balls. These are $3 as well. The rose heart wreaths, those are $5. Let me tell you something. I'm just out here moving my feet to the beat. Okay, out in these Dollar Tree streets. You ready for this? I hope you're ready. Make sure you have a pencil, a pen, a crayon, something to write these items down because you're gonna need it. Now, Dollar Tree also have the light up tabletop decor XOXO. They also have this one as well. It says, loving you. Okay, all right. This is gorgeous, $5. Heart string lights. Those are nice. Pink and red. Did you see the new candles at Dollar Tree? They Valentine's Day collection. Ooh, child, honey, you could buy these right now. All right? But we gonna smell these because I really want to see if these are, if they matching up to the aesthetics. Okay. First one we have lilac and bloom. This one is hitting like a chicken wing. Okay, lilac and bloom. Still deal like Holyfield. Oh, this is good. Passion fruit. Really amazing. Smells delightful. Also have this one as well, the red amber. Now with this color, you can smell it a little. So far, the strongest one is the lilac and bloom. Vanilla cashmere. Vanilla cashmere. Definitely amazing. Now, in order, vanilla cashmere and then a lilac. Really good. Now, Dollar Tree also have the cotton rope baskets. These are gorgeous. They come in white. They also have gray. And then they also have the seagrass cotton rope baskets. These are so gorgeous. Honey, you can put your wash rags in here. You can put in one section like paper towels. You may not be able to fit a whole bunch of paper towels in here, but you could put paper towels, your rolls of tissue in here. Really, really good. These are $5. Love this. You know how much these normally go? Places like Target, honey, they be wanting like $15 to $20 for these. Yes. Now this is love. Really, really gorgeous. If you guys are looking for metal mailbox decor, Valentine's theme, Dollar Tree definitely has them. Love letters over here. These are $5. Really, really gorgeous. Now this next item, when I tell you, I mean, your feet is just going to love you for this. this one, okay? I mean, it's just gonna love you. Dollar Tree has these lady low-cut socks, really soft. When I tell you they soft, I mean, they really soft. Now, these are $1.50. Great price point. They also have these, the heart and the cherries over here. Really nice. They also have these with the hearts. Gorgeous. Love this. If you were saying, Dina, I just want to see the steal deals like Holyfield, I said, girl, don't worry. Girl, boy, don't worry. I got you. Now, Dollar Tree also have these lady crew socks as well, the longer ones. Ooh, these are soft too. I like these. These make great gifts, and like, you know, the gift baskets. Excellent idea. These are $1.50. They really trying to keep me up in here, Dollar Tree. They really are. You know, want me to spend or circulate all my coins with them. Honey, have you seen the party mixer? Oh yes, they come in 2 different colors. They have the pink. They also have the red. Now these are $1.50. Are they styling and profiling? Are they moving their feet to the beat out in these streets? Yes, they are, honey. Yes, they are. Dollar Tree has is a conversation card box, 52 things to get to know each other. Great idea, especially like first date. They also have a year of date night ideas. Really cute. And look at these tumblers. Love this. These are so gorgeous. They have the tumbler with the straw, the donuts. My fave is definitely the ice cream cone with the ice cream. This is so gorgeous. Really cute. Look how dope this is. I love it. I am here for it. Now, other items that Dollar Tree has is these Valentine collection boxes over here. These are so cute. Hello, Valentine forever. Love vibes only. Love vibes only, honey. It's giving. I love this. With this chair, you better come on. They also have these boxes over here as well. Really cute. Now, these come in 2 different sizes. They have the larger ones, and then they also have the smaller ones. If you guys are looking for a delivery, cute big express boxes. Isn't they cute? $1.50. Love this. And then they also have these boxes over here that says you and me like a cup of tea. Now I did put the cup of tea on here. They also have these as well. These are gorgeous. I tell you, I am going to give it up. Dollar Tree items, honey. So Dollar Tree has the microfiber kitchen towels, Cupid's Sweetheart, Baked with Love. These are so gorgeous, $1.50. They also have this one, Let Love Grow. I know that's right. Now, if you guys are looking for the 2 pot holders, Dollar Tree definitely has them. Cupid Sweetheart, same thing as those, you know, microfiber towels. They also have these, Let Love Grow. Look how fancy and beautiful these are. Really nice. Now, Dollar Tree has a men's boxer brief. Love these. Valentine's Day theme. Oh, yes, child. $1.50. And if you guys are looking for some gift boxes, Dollar Tree definitely has them. They have the gold, the blue, the silver, the red. These are gorgeous. These are $1.50. Now, I know some of you guys have been looking still for the 25-cent section. Pretty much at this Dollar Tree, this is like the only thing that they have right now is the rub-on transfers and like some stickers over here as well. These are 25 cents. Some of these are really cute. Really cute. Like this one, Save the Date. If you know anyone that is about to get married, this is so cute. They also have these over here. If you into like birds and stuff like this, if that's your thing, like a chicken wing, these are 25 cents as well. And then they also have the flexible stencils, 25 cents. Earth Day, On Top of the Mountains, Farm Fresh, to the farmers out there, okay? They also have the well stickers and nap all day, sleep all night. I know that's right. I like me a good nappy nap. Wouldn't I tell you? I got so much to show. Now, other new items or new scents that Dollar Tree has is the mango. This is the mango peach. These are $1.50. Oh my goodness, I remember using these back in the day. They also have cherry berry. These smell so amazing. And they also have the apple cinnamon. The apple cinnamon is, it's giving me like an OG scent. You get what I'm saying? $1.50. So Dollar Tree right now is putting out their spring and summer item, just solar decor with the little doggy dog. Look at this. Oh my goodness. They also have the porcupine. They also have the fox, the frog. These are so gorgeous. And remember the solar metal lanterns? These are $6. Absolutely love those. And then they also have the metal ladybugs. These are $5. Now, Dollar Tree also had this some wall decor over here. These are, there was no price on here, honey. These are nice. They come in different colors. Really, really cute. And what about the gorgeous, and I do mean gorgeous, the metal bicycle stakes. These are so beautiful. And these are $5. How cute is this for the yard? If you guys are looking for some bird houses, Dollar Tree definitely has the metal bird house. These are $5. Really, really gorgeous. They also have the solar lanterns. These are gorgeous as well, $6. And then how about these gorgeous solar mushroom steaks? Love these. These are $3. And if you really want to get fancy, okay, really, really want to get fancy, Dollar Tree has the plastic plant roller, and these sold out real quick. These are $5, and when I tell you, I just filmed this a few days ago and they only had 3. Sold out quick. Now, if you guys are looking to get, I know, Easter, right? If you're looking to get the Easter baskets out the way, these sold out really quick. They have the Elmo. They also have the Cookie Monster as well. These are so gorgeous. These are $7. Love these. When I tell you, they have so many amazing items like this spring floral section over here. So if you guys are looking for spring floral, Dollar Tree definitely has them. They also have the Easter eggs over here. Really, really gorgeous. And look at these. Absolutely love these. Now these items are $1.75. They are absolutely gorgeous. They also have the flowers over here, like the roses, the artificial roses. And for Valentine's Day, they have the roses with the hearts in them. Really, really cute. Really, really beautiful. Let me know in the comment section, like, what are some of the items you guys are on the lookout for. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And look at these. These are gorgeous. The vases.